How to install the Doinn iOS and Android mobile app for your field service workers. Here in the platform, you can easily go to the Help and Support section, open the Help Center, and search for the mobile app. And then you have a QR code that you need to scan so that you can access the information. For Android devices and for iOS devices as well, you will find the links for the Google Play Store or for the Apple Store provided here. Then we can easily install the application directly from this location, or alternatively, you can send the links to your staff or team members if needed. Here is the Doinn app specifically for Android, and here is the Doinn app specifically for iOS. When installing these applications, you should make sure you are downloading the correct version for your device's operating system. This will help ensure compatibility and a smooth installation process. Your staff will have to log in with the credentials that you create when you add the staff. So here, when you add the staff, you have the credentials, which are the email and the password. That will be the credentials for your staff to log in the mobile app.